Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M04 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's just try. Oh, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how it's work. I just simply touch the fingerprint scanner, not pressing it. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.